Get my goggles out of there.
What's that?
Hey, that's not cool.
I can't swim anymore. Get
Hey,
now.
Brody! Be getting pushed in, it's gonna happen. Baby. Beep, beep, beep!
Are they these black ones?
No. They're blue.
Are you mad, Brody?
He's smiling like a baby! I'm
Bet
gonna
you-
eat you like a baby! It's on like Donkey Kong.
It's on like Donkey Kong.
Cause guess what?
Are you taking video, Mimo?
Yes.
Oh, goody, goody. Daddy, Daddy, what's this? This is gonna be easy. Daddy, Tom. Gage, Brody,
We
40.
need to get a water camera.
Oh, yeah. I want my own.
No, we get one, they're expensive. And they're disposable. You take pictures. And then you send the whole camera off and they come back.
Wait, do you get the print?
It's talking about underwater.
Look. Quit,
Not
quit,
without my
quit.
goggles.
No fighting.
Not without my goggles.
Girls!
I said goggles. Tell me,
Alright.
I don't want to play this anymore.
I don't want to
Guess I
play
could be out here popping those green beans, huh?
Yeah.
I gotta wash them first, though, don't I?
I
Or do you
don't think.
pop 'em
I
in
don't think it
separate?
matters really.
Well, you don't want to. I think you pop them.
You just gotta cook them. I mean, clean them before you cook them.
So I can pop them and then I soak them.
That was cool.
What'd you do?
You say that shit,
I
right?
could see upwards, which I never. You look at it.
Cheese!
Get away.